Looking at this question, it says log x equals to k. Write this question in terms of k. We also apply the rules of logarithm. This is a multiplication rule that says log xy. This is a multiplication that is a function of x and a function of y. How do we solve it? We say log x plus log y. So we are going to do the same thing here. So we have it as log 100 plus log x. Okay, and what is log 100? I believe we all know this, which is 2. And what is log x from the question, which is plus k, and that is the final answer. Alright, let's look at this question. We should express it also. This is division, right? So we also have a log, a rules of division, that is log x divide y. How do we do it? Log x minus log y. So we apply the same thing here, which is log 1 minus log x. And what is log 1? Log 1 is always 0. Minus log x, which is k. So the final answer equals to negative k. Okay. Alright, to solve this question, we have it as log 10. It's still the same as rule of division. So we simply expand it to become log of 10 minus log of square root of x. Okay, we all know that the log of 10 is 1. Okay, in case you don't know, please try and go learn this log of standard forms, log 1, log 10, 100, like this. It's quite easy. Just search online, you watch my previous video, you will see it also. Minus, we need to change this square root to something like this, x power 1 over 2. You can see that? Yeah. So bring this 1 over 2, apply to the first rule that I showed you before, move it to the back, and it gives us 1 minus 1 over 2 log x. Okay, so we have now 1 minus 1 over 2. What is our log x? Log x is k. So that makes it the final answer. You cannot say 1 minus half k. It's not possible because that 1 does not have the variable k. So I know many students make the same mistake. So you stop there because 1 does not have k, so you cannot subtract. Alright. I believe you will be able to solve this question using the same formula that says log of x power k base a. It's the same as bringing the k to the back, which gives us k log base a of x. So the same thing, 2 move to the back, 2 log x. Can you see that? So what is log s? Which is 2. So the answer is 2k. Alright. Now we are given this question. It says log x equals to k and log y equals to h. And I say we should write the following in terms of k and h. I believe we view the question. So how do we solve this? We use this is product, alright, xy squared, the product. So we're going to expand it using the addition formula, addition rule. So that is log x plus log y squared. Okay, what is I can still open this also, bringing this 2 to the back according to the rule number 3. If you check your notes, so this is 2 log y, okay, plus 2 log y. Alright, so what is log x from the given question is k, plus what 2 log y equals to h. Alright, so that's the answer to that. Alright, this question is a little bit stronger but easy. So I'm going to advise you do the part B and part D. Why I will do A and C. Okay, so this is the part C. How do we solve this? Open it. Firstly, you say log 100, okay, because this is multiplication. All right, 100 multiply x squared, so that is plus log x squared divide, which is minus log y power 3. Alright, I will still have to bring this to the back and bring this 3 to the back. And what is log 100? Log 100 is 2 plus 2 log x minus 3 log y. Okay, so we have 2 plus log x is k minus log y is h. So and this becomes the answer. So go ahead and solve the remaining question. Next question, if you see what I posted on the post, the question says do not use calculator for this question. So you are not expected to use calculator, you are meant to solve it without calculator and work out the value of x. I told you earlier that when they don't write any base here, if this a base here is empty, then it is base 10. If it is not base 10, they will write it, maybe log base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5, like that. But if there is nothing there, it means it is base 10. It is a standard base, okay? So in this situation, what are we going to do? You are going to say 10 power 2, change it to exponent, all right? Exponent, that's what you're going to do. 10 power 2 equals to x, all right? Because the law says when it is base A, x equals to k. Well, what are you going to do? It says a power k equals to x. So that's what you are going to do here also. So 10 power 2 is 100, not 20. Because some of you will say, oh, 20. No, it's not 20. It is 100. Okay, so that's the answer to that. Follow the same process. Base 10, that is 10 here. So we have 10 power 2 equals to 2y. What is 10 power 2? 100 equals to 2y. Divide both sides by 2. And you have the value of y equals to 50. Okay. Like I said, introduce of base 10. When you don't see anything, it becomes base 10. 10 power 2 equals to 2y. The same work with the formula. And 10 power 2 is 100 equals to 2y. Divide both sides by 2 to make sure you get the value of y. Also divide it both sides by 2 here, and your y equals to 5. Question says log 2 equals to 0.3 days and that. Solve log 4 without using calculator. How do we solve it without using calculator? Take note of that. If you use calculator, you will not get that answer. So what I'm going to do is to expand this 4. So I can decide to write it like this, 2 power 2. Or I can decide it to be log 2 multiply 2. Now you've expanded 4 like this, then you apply the rules of logarithm. It's either you do it like this, 2 log 2. You remember that law? You bring it like this. Or you say log 2 plus log 2. Alright, so you fix the value of 0.0301, so it becomes 2 multiply log 2 equals to this, 0.3010. And you will have something like this, 0.6020. Okay, do the same thing here, you will go to get the same answer. That is 0.310, 0.3010. Add it together, you get the same answer here. This question says log 5. What can I multiply together or divide together to give me 5? What can I do to give me that 5? Nothing, because 5 is just prime number. So I can't do anything. Even if I said 10 divide 2. Yeah, something can be done. Okay, something can be done. So what if I have 10 divide 2? That is log 10 divide 2. Okay, now I will write log 10 minus, because of the division, log 2. Now I have, what is log 10? Log 10 is standard logarithm. 1 minus log 2, 0.3010. Press your calculator. You will get an answer. Maybe 0.6 something. Get your answer for me and you write the answer yourself. Okay? Easy. All you need to do is to look for a number you divide together or multiply to give you 10. 5 exactly. Then from this number, make sure they have either of this value at the same time standard. It's quite easier when it is standard at the same time with the values. And what about log 6? Easy, right? That is log 2 multiply 3. Of course, we have log 2 here and we have the 3, which is quite easy for us. So we apply the rules, log 2 plus log 3. Make sure you always apply the rule. Log 2, 0.3010 plus log 3, 0.4771. Add it together and write your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much.